السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. Welcome back to our tutorials from zero to hero, mastering Autodesk Inventor. We're still in tutorial 1, caster wheel project. In this video, we'll explain how to create an exploded assembly. This assembly, you'll see it in our drawings. And this is the exploded assembly. And we're using the third model of Inventor, which is presentation. Of course, in exploded assembly, we need to have this exploded view, which means we'll disassemble our parts in order to have them with this sequence. Okay, and then we'll work with them on drawings. Let's go to Inventor. This is our Inventor, and we'll go to presentation. When you go to presentation, it asks you, directed you to the working folder or workspace folder and ask for assembly to disassemble. So this is our assembly that we did it. We click open. This is the environment of presentation. Okay, and here we have new storyboard. This is we call storyboard here. You can take it a little bit up. Okay, and you can see a storyboard here. We have seconds, we have a player, and all the actions, they will be here. I'll expand it down. This is our assembly, waiting to an action. Here we have the presentation tab, and we have in the workshop panel, we have new storyboard and new snapshot. We'll take a snapshot. Tweak, this is the main command that we'll use it here. We can capture a camera, and we can create a drawing from our view that will create here. At the right, we have our browser, and here we have snapshots that we'll take. They'll be here, and he write to us here, use the new snapshot view command to create a snapshot view. Snapshot views are used to create drawings, views, or publish raster images. So every snapshot we'll do it here. We will have it in this browser. Okay. So what we are doing here, you are going to tweak, which means disassemble, and this is the tweak dialog box. It's small. Okay, you can tweak a part, of course. Here we have local for each part, UCS. Okay, and here we have all components. Okay, you can keep a trail or no trail, etc., etc. I'll show you what trail is. This is the duration of the movement. Here, the duration of the movement. So let us select a component. We select this component, and we have two types of movement. We can move it. Just click the Y arrow. Then you can move it by axis, or you can move it by plane. You can see. Or you can move it by trade. It will move all on the X and Y and Z and everywhere. Okay, Control Z in order to cancel, and Control Z. This line called the trail. This line called the trail. Okay, I don't like them in my drawing, so I usually hide them. Again, tweak, select, and we want to tweak it. If you wanna, let us zoom a little bit here. Okay, I'll tweak it out. I'll take this one. Okay, I'll tweak it out to the face of the, if you wanna create a movie, really real movement, the face of this one. Okay, it's almost 8. And minus 8. Sorry. Just delete this and give it minus 8. Okay. All components, no trail. I don't need trails in my components. Oh, let us set our view again this way. Okay, this way again. This is my home view. Let us from now set it as home, set to view. Oh, we can't do it now, right? مش مشكلة. Okay, no problem. So we are satisfied with this. Yes, we'll click the green, check it, okay. Let us see our storyboard, what's going on. This is our storyboard, give us a move type of motion, okay, duration 2.5 seconds. The part name is ISO, it's a not ISO 4035. Why 8? If we go to assembly, okay, here we can measure, but there in the presentation you can't measure. You can measure here the distance. Of course, if you don't have the measure tab panel here, you can right click show panels and the measure here is the measure. Okay, so click the measure here or click M on your shortcut of measure is M on your keyboard. Okay, then you can measure from this face to this circle and we have 8 millimeter. The distance is 8 millimeter. Can you see? So we take it out 8 and until here. Close the measurement and go back to our presentation. In the same time, we are tightening this. When we tighten or untight this nut to rotate. So I'll click on the nut again, or you can tweak and then select the nut and select rotate. And here you have rotation. Can you see? This one around. Y. Okay. It just gave it minus 360 by 2. Okay. And hit enter. Just see what's happened in our storyboard. And then this is my storyboard. You didn't take it. I can't see it. What's this here? Oh, okay. All components. Okay. And here we have move, we have rotate. Let us play, go back and play our Is this what we need? No. We need to move and rotate in the same time. So you can click on the rotate and move it to the left in order to match with the motion. Translation and rotation. Translation, movement and rotation movement, they are now together. Let us play again. Go back and play. And this is what we want. Yes. Okay, again. So this is what we want. Go back. So we are tightening, this will untight. Good. Next. And I will not do all of these. You can put camera here if you wish, capture camera. Okay, in order to stay zooming. Again, tweak. we'll take this one, hitting control, and take the washer with it, and take them out. A little bit in order to have a space here. Okay, click the green check. It's okay. Go Control Z and again tweak. Let's take this a little bit out first. Okay. Without any distances, we just need an exploded. Of course, you can make a scenario and create a full movie here of your motion, of your everything. I'm satisfied with this one. Okay. I'll take it a little bit there and take a camera again. Okay. Double click to have zoom. I'll go for this one. This is my home view. In order not to lose it, I'll set it as home. Fit to view. And I'll go to the other side. And the other side will take out the bolt. So tweak, click the bolt, take it out. Let us see our home view. If it's okay, we need an exploded drum. It's okay. It's a little bit distance between these parts. I'll hit the check mark. I'm satisfied with this one. Now I'll take all of these sub-assembly bushes with the wheel and rubber and take them down. Or you can take the bracket up. Let us take the bracket up. Then tweak, click the bracket and take it up. It's fine with me. Now we'll take out the bush with the washer and nut. We'll keep control, clicking on control to select them all together. I'll take them a little bit. We have a little bit distance here. Again, let us take the rubber with them. I can click this one. Okay. This one and this one and this one. I'll take them out. It's fine. Yes. Let us zoom a little bit here. Okay, and give it a camera view here, capture camera. Next, what we'll need, we need to take out the other bush from that side. So I'll go here, tweak, I'll hit the bolt, and clicking on the control, select the other part, go to home, in order to see the distance, and take it a little bit out. It's fine with me. Okay. Double click the wheel. No, I need a little bit bigger. Just zoom window. Okay, we have zoom window here. Zoom window. I create a window around these. It's fine with me. This is my explode drawing. All parts are seen. They are on this sequence. Okay, so I can now save the same way, the same name, caster wheel, save. And we can take a snapshot for our drawing. So go to snapshot here, new snapshot, and you have it, view one here. Okay, save. What happened with our storyboard? Let us see. Can you see we put a camera here? All the actions that you did, he already recorded them here in our storyboard. You can, of course, see what happened. If I go back to the 0 and play, let me take this a little bit down. Let me take out my, we didn't create a camera there, so we can see all of these. Okay, then we have to create a camera on the bolt in order to see all of these. It doesn't matter to us that much. If you wanna, I told you, if you wanna, you can create a scenario and check your distances, rotations, etc., etc. But the goal of this presentation is to have explode drawing only. Okay, you can of course after that create a video, record the video, okay, of the disassembly of this part or assembling, how to assemble these parts, etc., etc., depending on your project. This way we finish our exploded or presentation drawing. Keep tuned. I'll see you in next video.